So, welcome back. Now we are discussing about the correlation and its type. First, understand what exactly correlation is. Correlation is all about the relationship between two variables, and those variables are distributed into a quantitative form, like in case of scale, or in the ordinal form. So if they are distributed like this, now we are going to see that how much they are correlated with each other. So correlation is giving us two results. One is that whether these two variables are strongly correlated or weakly correlated. And second thing is that whether these two variables are positively correlated or negatively correlated. So before coming to this example, let me tell you about these things. See, the value of R corresponds here with the correlation result, is always between the +1 and -1. +1 is perfectly positive correlated, and -1 is perfectly negative correlated. Positive correlation means it if one variable is increasing, another variable is also increasing. And negative correlation is if one variable we are increasing, other variable is decreasing. So, and as you know that the result is always between the +1 and -1. So they on the basis of various statistics, on the basis of various research, scientists are saying that, or social scientists are saying that, -1 or +1 is exactly perfectly that one. It is only possible when one is compared with itself. Means if I am compared to myself, then only this result will come +1, like that one. So but if the result is between -7 to -99, it means there is a strong negative correlation. If between -5 to -69, it is not there, it is around a moderate negative correlation. If it is below that, we can say the weak but negative correlation. If the same thing is in the positive direction, it means the relationship weak is there but positive. Moderate is there if this is the range. In between this range, then moderate is there but positive. If this is the range, high or strong is there but in the positive direction. So how we are going to see this one? This we can understand with the help of example. So we are going to take the same example which we are following for many of our first we are going to see the employee. This is our employee data. Here we are going to see like how we are going to perform it, analyze. Then there is a correlate, go to the bivariant. Under bivariant, suppose we want to see that the relationship or correlation between education level, current salary and previous salary. So what I will do it, education level is here is my education level, then current salary is this one, is the current salary, and previous experience is this one. Now you can see, observe, and you can see there are the two scale variable, this current salary and previous salary, numerical variable, and one is the ordinal variable, which is the education level. Now in this case we are going to select the Pearson correlation. If both are ordinal, if both are ordinal and not normally distributed, then we can going to check the Spearman. So but in this case we are going to see the relationship between these three things. So must select this Pearson, then click on OK. Now we have to interpret the result. If you can see, this result is like education level to education level is 1. As I told you that 1, if I'm comparing to myself, the result is always the same, so 1 is there. This one is important, education level and current salary. Education level and current salary is 0.661. It's a positive relationship between these two. The education level and previous experience, minus is there. So minus, but weak relationship is there. So here we can say that the education level and current salary has a positive relationship, and these two things are not that much important, that not that much significance, so we can say it is not like that one. So this is the way we can identify the correlation for that one. Let me take you to the another example. There is one more example is there, like in this case, uh, this one we want to see the relationship between overall job satisfaction. This is the overall job Let me see what is that one. Yes, overall job commitment. I want to see that is there any relationship between overall job commitment in that one. If I believe that this is the it is following all the, so overall job commitment from the overall employee empowerment. So I will go to the analyze, I will go to the correlate, then bivariant, then it is at the down overall job commitment this way, then overall employment. Let us see about only these two variables. Then click on OK. Then you can find out the in the output window you can see the result here. There is a relationship between overall job commitment and overall employee empowerment. It is positive, but this is weak, 0.332. As we all know that if it is above zero point 0.7, like 0.8, 0.8, 0.5, 0.9, 0.95, up to 0.99, it is strongly positive correlated. If it is in the negative, so it is the reverse of like that one. So like this way we can doing the correlation. Like suppose we want to find out that this among the two ordinal variables, whether there is any relationship between them. So let us believe that let us see this example. Suppose I want to see about the IQ level, not the IQ level, but we can say the brand, or you can say this one, satisfaction level and internet uses. Let us see these two things. These two things is also we can perform like analyze, go to the analyze, correlate, bivariant, satisfaction level, uh, data net internet uses and satisfaction level. We will see whether they are correlated or not correlated. How they are correlated: highly correlated, weakly correlated. Here again it is weakly correlated, but positive correlation is there. So like this way we can say that. And if we want to do the, like if you can see here how we are doing it, we are going to the analyze, correlate, bivariant, and then we are selecting the education. This is the ordinal data, scale data. Then we click on the Pearson, then click on OK, and this is the result. Here we can say the 0.661 is positive correlated and more than moderate. This is the way we can interpret for that one. So this is the things how we are doing the what you call as the correlation for any of our